Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Tutorial Tuber channel. In the 11th video of the 3D modeling lecture, we are going to discuss about the spline types. First of all, we will click on the front plane, click on the sketch, and as you can see, there is a curved line which is known as spline. We will click on the drop down. As you can see, there are three types, but the top two are most commonly used. First one is the spline. We will click on one point, click on another point. As you can see, after clicking 2 points, when you are moving your mouse, the curve is changing its, you can say, curve, or the roundness of the curve is changing. So you can, for example, you want it here, click another button, and in this way you can make any shape of your desired geometry. If you want more precise shape, then you have to choose the points near to each other. In this way the geometry will be much precise. And after that, when you have completed, click on escape, and now this spline has been created. After that, when you will click on the part or the sketch or the line, you can see that there are some arrows or cursors showing. These cursors are used to move or make these spline curve. For example, first one is the down dot. As you can see, when you drag the mouse while holding the left button of the mouse, the curve of the spline is changing. Same when you will click on this, as you can see, the angle of the spline is also changing. And there is an arrow. Arrow is also used to change the curve of the spline. In this way you can edit these splines. We will click OK. In this way you can sketch any of the object, or you want to sketch any of the part or a shape or picture, you can simply do it. After that, we will click on the front plane, sketch, and we are going to look toward the second part of the spline, which is the spline style or style spline. For example, we will click 1 second. As you can see that in 3 point a spline is made, first, second, and when you will click on the third point, as you can see, the third point gives it an, you can say, radius or a rounded shape. In this way you can make geometries. For example, you want it here, after that you want it here, and you want it to be here. Click escape, and in this way you can make these geometries. And because the whole spline is only one line, when you will trim or delete one of the line, this whole will be deleted. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.